In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to pay a penalty to Companies House. If you received a letter from Companies House asking you to pay for late filing of accounts or confirmation statement, then this video is for you. What you have to do is visit this link on your screen. Just make sure it's the same with the one in your letter. It's gov.uk/pay-penalty-companies-house. Now, once it opens, it says pay a penalty to Companies House. When you scroll down, you will see this. It says if you have received a penalty from Companies House, you can pay online, pay by bank transfer or check, appeal a penalty. Pay online. To use this service, you need the information on your penalty notice. This was sent to you in the post. A credit or debit card. You must pay the full amount. It takes around 5 minutes to pay. You will get a receipt emailed to you after you have paid. You will need to sign in to use this service. If you do not already have sign-in details, you will be able to create them. So before we start now, I just want you to know that I have a step-by-step process on how you can file your dormant account, file your confirmation statement, verify your identity in the comment. Now, if you've lost your penalty notice, you can email Companies House with the subject line lost penalty notice to the email there. Appeal a penalty. How you appeal depends on the penalty you've received. If you have a late filing penalty, if your penalty is from filing your accounts late, you can appeal through Companies House. You must prove the circumstances were out of your control. For example, a fire destroyed your records a few days before your accounts were due. If you have any other penalty, you need to make an appeal through the courts. You have 28 days from when the penalty was issued to make an appeal. If you submit an appeal to the courts, you need to tell Companies House by email or in writing within 7 days of submitting the appeal. You can get advice about making an appeal through the court from Advice Now. If you need legal advice, you can find a legal advisor. Now, pay by bank transfer or check. You need the penalty reference that on your penalty notice, and it will start with the letter A, P, or U. You can only pay by check if you have a penalty from filing your accounts late. You can always scroll back to the beginning and then click on Start Now. On the next page, answer the question, what does the penalty reference start with? So they're asking whether it's A, P, or U. You check your letter and you click Continue. On the next page, it says Penalty Details. What is the company number? After providing that, you write what is the penalty reference. You put it there and click on Continue to the next page. Now on the next page, you will see the penalty summary, and yeah, straightforward. Issued to, company number, penalty reference, reason for penalty. Very straightforward and easy. And that's it, guys. You can now pay. Enter your card details, and they said it was 5 minutes, and truly it is just 5 minutes and everything is done. As soon as it goes through, you will receive this email from Companies House telling you that you have paid your penalty fee, and yeah, that's it. If you don't receive it, then you need to contact them and tell them that you've paid, but you did not receive an email to confirm your payment. Remember, I have videos about how to fill your self-assessment on my channel. I have videos about how to register to get your UTR. If you're just starting out when it comes to company self-assessment, I have so many videos that can be of benefit to you. You can just check my playlist of how to complete UK applications and you see some of these videos. I hope you've benefited a lot from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.